Hi guys, Xiaomi new update, application stock screenshot, new version release global version 1.0.5.15 version and add new feature screenshot. In this video I will show new feature and new install new function screenshot. For smartphones Xiaomi Redmi and Poco, new HyperOS and Android 14, but old version MIUI smartphone Xiaomi Redmi and Poco no work this function. If update new version application screenshot, download this update my Telegram TechnoSmart, link will be in the info box. Update one click and update install. Wait, update and scan. OK. I go testing screenshot, click and new feature. How is work? Screenshot will be automatically added to your clipboard and can't be passed. You can turn off this feature in settings by searching add items to clipboard. Go it and testing. I go application messenger and etc. application. Example note, add, new, click and paste. And screenshot application. Example test. Work very good. And to feature screenshot. Click. Add device frame. Connect network. Connect. Download device and work frame. Remove and add. Frame screenshot and screenshot. If new delete this update screenshot, security, manage apps, top right click show all apps and search screenshot. Click install update and return old version screenshot application. Old version. No new feature. Subscribe my YouTube channel TechnoSmart. See you and new videos.